Hi traders, Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach. Great to be here. Today's Saturday the 23rd of February. Well, we've seen a really quite a mixed day today. Not a lot's actually happened, but as predicted, the Euro and the British pound have continued to fall all week. The US has shown a lot of strength, then the Canadian has continued to fall. Gold and silver, as I also said last week, have continued to fall following last week's big fall. So quite a crash there on gold and silver. Having said that, today I was looking at some buy opportunities on the British pound because it looked like there was some form of retracement coming against certain pairs. Now, how do I know that? Well, each day I analyse the strengths and weaknesses of each currency. And you may have noticed that on the Forex Peace Army site, I've now been writing my analysis each day. If you've not seen that yet, jump across to forexpeacearmy.com and have a look under the education section and then under what they call the shoulder of giants. Now, I'm really privileged to be one of just 2 giants in their whole community of hundreds of thousands that have been asked to write on their site each day, and had some great feedback. I've only been writing for this 1 week, but it's helped a lot of people, and that's what I'm aiming to do. It's aiming to educate and help people to look at the markets and trade on the right side of the market. Because trading, yes, it's all about finding the correct setup, technical setup or fundamental setup, whatever it is you trade. But also, if you are trading on the right side of where the strengths and weaknesses are for that particular day, surely it has to add to your probability of making successful trades. So that's the whole aim of that. Now, of course, I teach that to my clients as part of my course, but I'm also giving away that information free on a daily basis to try and help people gain more successful trades. This week on my 2 free webinars that you can attend, I had 2 full rooms and some fantastic questions. So if you were on that, I hope you enjoyed that session. If you weren't, if you haven't attended yet, make sure you jump on to this week's one of this week's 2 free webinars. Elsewhere on my own clients webinars, which is just clients only invitation, which I hold every 2 weeks. That's a live 2-hour trading room webinar. We shared some amazing results that a client of mine called Geraint from over in Australia has achieved. Now, Geraint's been with me for probably around 6 months or so, and he's now developed a 4-hour system using my strategy that works for him. And so he's taken my 4-hour charts, and he's also looking at my daily suggestions. And in the last 2 weeks, he reported that he's made over 10% return on his live account. So it's just in the last 2 weeks. But like I said, it's taken him 6 months of learning, of progression to get to that stage where he now feels comfortable to be trading. And he's found a time frame that suits him. And like me, the 4-hourlies and the daily charts he's found as his niche time frame just works in beautifully, not tying you to the computer screen. But look, 10% return in 2 weeks on a live account. It's pretty amazing by anybody's standards. So if you'd like that to be you, make sure that you attend one of my free webinars, learn about my course, see what I'm about, jump on the Forex Peace Army site, have a look through my own website and see what I offer in my training course to see if it's something you might benefit from. So that's all for now. Hope you have a great weekend, and I look forward to talking to you this time next week.